So we're going to PANGLAO. Welcome to Virgin Islands. Hey guys, we are here at the Virgin Islands of PANGLAO, Bohol, and yes, we're gonna enjoy this view and this awesome place. Look at the water, it's so clear. The sand between two waters. Oh my god! Oh my god! Guys, this is St. Pio of Petrelsina of Cappuccino. Hey, drinking from the Bud Light. Hi, ate.
Hello.
The place is so solemn. So we're walking down here. Guys, if you want to go here, just have to ride a bus. It's called a trip between Dawis, Tagbilaran, and PANGLAO. And you just stop in a church in PANGLAO and you walk forward and you just go straight and you can find a registration. Just look at that view. Look at that bitch.
Tasa kaya to? Going to Alona.
Guys, we are here at Alona Beach, PANGLAO.
Foreign land.
And this is a place for foreigners, but I'm not included. Hi guys, muli nami kay kung magdugay-dugay mi dadto maabtan mi alas 8 sa gabi. And nang sponsor sa mga guys. Thank you, te.
No problem. Sponsored
Love.
by. Welcome. Thank you, te.
Alona Beach was amazing. The water is so clear. The sand is so white. The people are amazing. Foreigners are very white and black. Filipinos are brown. And we're happy. Hey guys, it's Ian. Yo, my man. Yo. 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 Hi guys, it's Ian. And karon naara ko sa sala because ako igsuon na apa sa kwarto ug iyang gamit dili siya magpa-disturbo kay natanaw siya sa iyang K-pop Korean drama. Yes, I'm still wearing the same shirt in that video. Pero gilabhan na ni siya ha. Dili ni siya atong last pa. Yes, and I'm back in making videos and uploading videos because humana ang finals nga week. That hell week. Like, dalang kay assignments, projects, requirements, exams, napag-defense, then hindi ko katubag. But tonight, we're gonna answer your questions. Kay katong pag-abot na ko diri sa Cagayan, daghan kaayo og mga questions akong mga friends and classmates. But aside sa ana, ilang ginahulatan sad ang kalamay, ang mga peanut kisses, ang mga keychain nga dito sa gikan sa Bohol. But tonight, giready na ko ang mga questions na diri sa notes. And we're gonna answer the questions how and when and where to go in Bohol katong akong ipangadtuan sa mga tips and mga dalon na to. So let's start. So question number 1, what to bring? So of course you have to bring yourself. No, of course, common sense, no? Common sense. You have to bring food. Food. You have to bring clothes and extra money. Yeah. And your friends. Kaya lisod po ikaw na mga dito isa. Very ka boring na. Gano'n ka kung boring. Question number 2. Pilay bayad. But when it comes atong kamugyatuan Virgin Island o Alona Beach, yung niunong lang niya to sa Alturas Mall din. Yung ato mi sa isa ka lugar, pero dito siya mao. Then na rin to isa ka girl nga ningon nga mo ato dami sa isa ka iskina. Then dito nakakita mig bus, nada yun to yung mga sakyanan nga nakasulat og Dawis, Panglao, Tagbilaran. Then mo to mong sakyan din. Wala ko kabalo kung pilay bayad, libre yun naman to sa kagagaw. Then I think it's 20 pesos man siguro if I'm not mistaken. 20 pesos, then paabot mo dito, mahunong mo sa isa ka church, then baklay mo gamay, then makita din mo atong murag na lalaki nga gahulat registration. Kailan mo magsulat sa inyong mga pangalan because para maka-reserve mo o ride na bangka kaya dito sa next island. Then yes, isakay mo dito. Yes, isakay mo ato dayon. Wala siya get pangayo na payment, but it's more like donation. Ngayon mo yatag para matabangan itong mga drivers dito, mga drive dito atong bangka. I think para sa ilang gasolina. Yes, moto siya. Nang pagpaad ko sa Alona is that dito rin pinamunong sa church. Dayon, mangita din mag habal-habal. Ayaw pagsakay tricycle kay mahal kailang pangayo. It's the same as sa habal-habal. Pero makalesen mo sa habal-habal kay since personal magudin mo makastorya din. Murag sa isa ka habal-habal, duha mo makasakay. So, among gibayad, I think it's 20 pesos gyapon per person paingon dito sa Alona. Kay doon lang magud kayo siya and the other side nang siya sa Panglao. Yes, among gituan Panglao to siya nga Virgin Island but it's way far dito sa place nga Virgin Island o sa Alona Beach. So yeah, 20 pesos. And it's worth it. Maybe I'm worth it. So if you have more questions about the trip to Bohol, my trip to Panglao, my trip to Alona, my trip to Virgin Islands, comment below. And yes, I think that's the end of the video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe, guys. And if you wanted to share it. And yeah, peace out. Yeah. Good morning, guys. We are now visiting my grandmother, Nanay Tuwa.